Hello friends, I hope you're doing well. Welcome to this new video where we'll explore the cultivation of the strawberry tree, also known as the arbutus tree, from planting to harvest, including pruning and maintenance. I hope you enjoy this video and find it helpful. If that's the case, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the little bell to be notified of my new videos. Also, please give it a thumbs up to encourage me to continue translating videos from my French channel if you enjoy them. Finally, leave a comment to let me know what cultivation guide you'd like to see in the next video or if you have any questions. I'll be happy to respond. Without further ado, let's start the video. Enjoy! 1. Presentation. The strawberry tree, also known as the arbutus tree, is a small, evergreen Mediterranean tree belonging to the Ericaceae family. It is relatively easy to cultivate, requiring minimal maintenance, and is highly resilient, able to withstand temperatures ranging from 14 degrees Fahrenheit to -4 degrees Fahrenheit, depending on the varieties. Flowering occurs from autumn to early winter, coinciding with the harvest period. Due to its evergreen foliage, winter flowering, and fruiting, the strawberry tree remains a highly decorative shrub throughout the year. Another notable advantage is that its fruits are edible. Two, the soil, the exposure to sunlight. The strawberry tree will adapt to any type of soil, but it has a preference for light, slightly acidic, and well-drained soils. To add a touch of acidity to your soil, you can mix peat soil with your garden soil. In terms of exposure, it is advisable to plant the strawberry tree in a sunny or partially shaded location, as it thrives well in the shade of pine trees in its natural habitat. Additionally, it has the advantage of tolerating coastal conditions. 3. Growing maintenance. The planting of the strawberry tree is preferably done in spring or late summer. It has the advantage of being well suited for cultivation both in open ground, whether as individual specimens, in flower beds, or as hedges, and for container gardening. In the case of container gardening, choose a pot with a depth of approximately 11.8 to 15.7 inches, 30 to 40 centimeters, and fill it with a light mixture of sand and soil, to which you can add a bit of peat to provide a touch of acidity. Place a layer of gravel at the bottom of your pot or hole, depending on how you are cultivating it, to improve drainage. The strawberry tree is low maintenance and water efficient. Just water it during the first year to ensure proper establishment. If you live in regions with harsh winters, you can mound straw around the base of your strawberry trees in the first few years following planting to protect them from the cold, even though they are highly resilient. Four, the pruning. Pruning is preferably done at the end of summer, but it's important to note that it is not mandatory. It's more of an aesthetic consideration than a necessity. If you want to highlight the bark and the gnarled shape of the branches, clear the branches from the base of the trunks. You can also train your strawberry trees to a single stem by removing all shoots at the base of the trunk. Finally, remove any dead wood. Five, harvest storage. Harvest the strawberry tree fruits when they are fully red and soft. A ripe strawberry tree fruit is identified by its orange-red skin covered with small conical points. They do not keep well, so it's advisable to consume them promptly. To extend their shelf life, it is recommended to cook or blanch them before freezing. How to prepare and cook strawberry tree fruits. Tangy and sweet with a subtle taste, they adapt well to various preparations. Strawberry tree jam, whether on its own or combined with other fruits, the jam or jelly offers a slight apricot flavor. Remember to remove the seeds for a more pleasant texture. Liqueur. After soaking in brandy for several weeks, its liqueur is enjoyed in moderation. Raw. To decorate a cake or in a fruit salad, strawberry tree fruits add color and a mild tangy flavor. Cooked. Particularly interesting in cakes, they can be used in various recipes such as cakes, muffins, or pies. Strawberry tree fruits in syrup. Soaked for a few hours in sugar and lemon juice, strawberry tree fruits in syrup make for a delightful dessert. This video is now complete. Thank you for watching it until the end. I hope you enjoyed it and found it helpful, or that it inspired you to venture into avocado cultivation. If that's the case, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and click on the little bell to be notified of my new videos. Also, please give it a thumbs up to encourage me to continue translating videos from my French channel if you enjoy them. Finally, leave a comment to let me know what cultivation guide you'd like to see in the next video or if you have any questions. I'll be happy to respond. See you soon for the next video. Goodbye.